YouTube channel. Here's your girl Nykaa. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So my today's video is going to be a wedding guest makeup look, and I have created this beautiful half cut crease rose gold eye makeup look, and I'm pretty sure that it will go with all your outfits. And do let me know in the comment section that what else do you want to see. I would love to make videos on your suggestions, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet, and also follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I'm starting with the concealer first. I'm taking this concealer from Forever 52 in the shade COV003, and I'm applying it nicely on my eyelids and also near the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm taking this concealer brush from Kiko Milano and now blending it nicely. It's very important to apply concealer before applying your eyeshadow, guys, because the eyeshadow colors pops out really nicely when applied on top of the base. And now I'm blending it all nicely and it looks good. And I'm taking this Huda Beauty Nude palette. I'm taking this light pink shade and applying it all over my crease area using a precise brush, and I'm adding some more color. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush and blending it all nicely so that there are no harsh lines. And I'm taking this dark pink shade from the Huda Beauty Nude palette and mixing light and dark colors both together. And using a fluffy brush, I am blending the colors nicely. And now again, I'm taking the light pink shade and applying it on my crease area. I'm taking this purple shade from the same Huda Beauty palette and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. Make sure to use your fluffy brush in a circular motion whenever you feel like your eyeshadow is getting patchy, and keep moving it in circular motions to blend it out. And I'm applying some more purple shade to create that perfect ombre effect. And I'm also applying it on my crease area to mix all the shades nicely. Again, I'm taking the light pink color and applying it on the edges of the eyeshadow to make a seamless eyeshadow look. Now it's done. Again, I'm taking the same concealer and applying it on the back of my hand. Now I'm taking this angular brush and will apply it on my lash area and will look up, and you can see that it will create a line. This is the line from where we have to cut our crease. Make sure that you do not go above the line that you have created. You have to work under the line area, and what I am doing is creating a half moon. And be patient, guys, it takes a lot of time, I understand, but even I'm not perfect at it, and you just have to be patient and use your very light hands and create the line and keep filling it. The angular brush will help you to get the sharp edge on the crease area, and it looks pretty good. Now I'm blending it with the outer corner of my eyeshadow, and I'm taking this flat brush and I am taking the shimmery shade and applying it on the inner corner of my eyes. And we are applying it directly on top of the concealer because the concealer is tacky and shimmery shades will stick nicely on top of the tacky concealer. Now I'm taking this glitter shade and applying it in the center of my eyelid area. Do not worry if the glitter particles go out of your cut crease zone. We will fix it in the next step. Now I'm taking the same purple color and with the help of my angular brush I am applying it on my cut crease area, and with the same brush I am flicking out the glitter particles to make the eyeshadow look neat and clean. And now I'm applying this eyeliner from Color Bar, and I'm creating a wing, and we'll do the same process on the other eye also. And I've also applied my falsies, and now I'm using a wet wipe to clean all the mess that has been created under the eye area. Now I'm taking this PIXI Glow tonic and mist and applying it nicely on my skin. It will clean all impurities and excess oil. I'm taking this moisturizer. All the product links are mentioned in the description box below, so you can check out the description box. And now I'm applying it nicely on all over my face and neck and massaging it nicely to prep my face before applying the concealer. Now in the next step we apply concealer, same concealer from Forever 52, and will apply it on all my highlight areas, basically on all the areas where you feel that you have pigmentation, blemishes or dark spots. So basically I'm applying it under my eye, around my lips, a little bit on my forehead, and with the help of my fingers only I'm blending out the concealer. This concealer is really nice, guys. Like, it's my current favorite concealer. Next, I'm using this Fit Me Maybelline foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I'm just taking 2 pumps of the foundation and will apply it all over my face, neck and everywhere. So with the help of my Huda Beauty foundation blending brush, I'm dabbing the foundation. Do not drag the foundation, just dab. And you can see what a perfect finish it's giving. I'm just in love with the finish it gives. And dab, blend. Do not miss your neck, guys. It's very important to even out your neck area also, and also on your ear, because in pictures it looks really bad, guys. And the coverage of this foundation is just wow, guys. And next, to set the foundation, I'm taking this baking powder from Huda Beauty and I'm going to set the base. I'm applying it under my eye and basically on all my highlighting areas to set the foundation out. Next, I'm using this white eye pencil from LA Colors and applying it on my lower lash line. Next, to do my eyebrows, I'm using this Nykaa's eyebrow mascara, and I would definitely recommend you this product if you have thick eyebrows just like me. And this product is best to get the most natural looking eyebrows. And my eyebrows are done. Next, to complete my eye makeup look, I will take the same Huda Beauty palette and will take the same dark purple shade which we applied on the outer corner, and will apply it halfway through on my lower lash line. Do not drag it towards the inner corner of your eyes, as it will look very over dramatic. Now I will remove the baking powder and my foundation is all set. Now I'm taking this Benefit Hoola bronzer and will apply it on my cheekbones, on my jawline and also on my nose to create a shadow. I don't like contouring, as you guys know if you have watched my previous videos. So I just love this bronzer, and you can see how perfectly it has created shadows and how perfectly it has enhanced my features. So next I'm using this Forest Essentials Gulaabi Cheek Tint, and guys, this tint has my heart. I recently purchased this and I use this product every single day, and it's my go-to product for sure. It gives a very subtle glow to your cheeks, and look at the perfect gulabi color. It's in the shade Gulaabi. And now next I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter. Wow, it's my current favorite highlighter too, and you can see how I'm applying it on my cheekbones and little bit on my forehead and on my chin, and I will also apply it in the inner corner of my eyes using my fingers, and also on my brow bone to enhance my eye look. Next I'm using this Benefit Magnet Mascara, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And to apply lipstick, I'm using this Chambord lipstick. It's in the shade 485. It's a very nice nude color. You can also watch my how to apply lipstick video to see how I apply my lipsticks. And to fix my makeup, I'm applying this makeup fixer from MAC, and until it gets dry I will quickly change and come back. To finish my makeup, I'm applying this lip injection gloss from Too Faced, and I'm ready to attend the wedding. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and this was my wedding guest makeup look. Do let me know in the comment section that what else do you want to see, like anything more in the wedding series, like haldi look, mehendi look, or anything, kajal look. I would love to create more videos on your suggestions. So stay safe, love you all, see you in my next video, bye.